Okay, so let's look at past question on the product rule. Find with respect to s the derivative of s squared minus 3s plus 5 multiplying 2s minus 7. That is WASSCE November 2011 question 7b. And then s plus 3 over s all squared. Alright, so let's solve the first one. We have s squared minus 3s plus 5 multiplying 2s minus 7. Alright, okay. So if you want to differentiate this, okay, so you can say that since there are two functions multiplying itself, okay, you can say that let u to be equal to this and then v to be equal to this. Then you go your way and then you do it. Alright, but as I've said, the rule for differentiating two functions, okay, that are multiplying is that differentiate one, maintain one, okay, and differentiate the other one too, maintain the other one too. So with this one, our dy on the x can be equal to the differentiating of this one. So I'll differentiate this. So if I want to differentiate the first one, what will be my answer? 2x here will be what? 2 will multiply the 1 here, so that will be 2x. Then we subtract 1 from it, so I'll get 2s minus, then minus 3s will give me 3. So that's the differentiating of this one is 2x minus 3. Okay, then I'll multiply by this particular function. Okay, take note, that is 2x minus 7 plus, you see, then differentiate this function here. When I differentiate this function, I'll get 2. 2s will give me 2, this will give me 0. So that is 2. Then I'll multiply by this function, which is s squared minus 3s plus 5. So with the product rule, differentiate one, multiply by the other function, plus differentiate this function, multiply by this one. That is all. So we will have what? We have to expand, okay, to get our answer. So 2s times 2s will give me what? 4s squared. Alright. Then 2s times minus 7 will give me what? Minus 14s. And then minus 3 times 2s will give me what? Minus 6x. Okay. Then minus 3 times minus 7 will be plus 21. Plus 21. Okay. Then plus 2 times s squared will give me 2s squared. 2 times minus 3s will be minus 6x. And then 2 times 5 will give me plus 10. Okay. So let me see if I can add some items. So 4x times 2s squared will give me what? 6s squared. Then minus 14s minus 6x will give me what? Minus 20x. Minus 6x will give me what? Minus 26x. Alright, so I have minus 26x. Then I have 21 plus 10. That will give me what? 31. So plus 31. Alright, so the differentiation of these two functions here will give us what? 6s squared minus 28x plus 31. Alright, that's the differentiation of these two functions. If you like to, you can decide to expand. Okay, so you can try that, expand, and then when you expand, you get the same answer. So let's do the last one. Okay, we have what? Let's say y is equal to s plus 3 on x all squared. So let me write it as this: y is equal to s plus 3 on x and then s plus 3 on x. Okay, so that we can do the expansion here. So x times x will give me what? S squared. S times 3 over x, okay, will give me 3x over x, and that will so like this, s times 3 on x. So x will cancel, then I'll get what? Plus 3. Then 3 on x also times x. Okay, so x will cancel, that will also be plus 3. Then 3 on x times 3 on x. So 3 on x times 3 on x. That's 3, 3, 9. Then s times x will give me what? S squared. So that will give us 9 on s squared. Alright. Then let me simplify it. Y will be equal to s squared plus 6 plus 9 over s squared. Okay. So we can write, so since I'm going to differentiate, let me bring the s up to be s squared plus 6 plus 9 x exponent negative 2. Alright. So that the differentiating becomes simple for us. Okay. So I can now have my dy on the x to be equal to what? This will give me 2x. Okay, this is 0. Then this negative 2 will come here to multiply the 9 to be negative 18. Alright. And then x minus 2, you subtract 1 from it to be negative 3. Okay, so my dy on my dx is going to what? 2x minus 18 over s cubed. 2x minus 18 over s cubed. So that is my dy over dx. Okay, so I believe this is understood. I know I'll see you again in our next lesson. Bye bye.